Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Graphics Universe and to our new Photoshop tutorial that we're going to do together right about now. So I hope you're all doing well, and to kick things off I want to thank you guys for watching my previous videos, and I hope you've enjoyed them as much as I hope you enjoyed this new tutorial, which is going to be so much fun, so easy and way too short guys. So if you don't believe me, you just watch the video till the end and you'll see how right I am. Alright, so let's get started. And as you can see right here, this is a photo of a woman whose eyes are totally red, and this time we need to fix that. And to fix something about a photo, we need to do a little retouch. So some of you may say that we're going to use the spot healing brush tools, but not this time, not quite. We're going to use a different member of the family, and that member is going to be the red eye tool. So the red eye tool, well, it specializes in fixing the red eye problem. Alright, so all you need to do in order to fix that problem is to click with the red eye tool on the red spot of the eye, and it's fixed. The same thing for the other eye, like that. Click on the red spot and now it's fixed. And as you can see now, we've reached the end of our tutorial. Why so? Because both eyes are totally normal, both eyes are fixed using the red eye tool. So as I told you guys, it's so much easy and way too short. So please do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to hit on the subscribe button in order to support the channel, and please share the video among your friends for the support and if they want to learn something new and useful. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed my video, and until next time with our new tutorial inshallah. Okay, so till later guys. Bye.